Today, I'll show you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. If your inbox is full of newsletters, notifications, promotions, or old messages from one specific person or company, Gmail gives you a fast way to find and remove them in bulk. The easiest method is to search by sender first, then delete the matching results. Google's Gmail help says you can use the from search operator to find messages from a specific sender, and you can delete search results from there. To start, open Gmail in a web browser or in the Gmail app. In the search bar at the top, type from, followed by the sender's email address. For example, you can search something like from example at email.com. Google's official search help lists sender searches like this as a standard Gmail search operator. Once you run the search, Gmail will show emails from that sender only. Now, if you only have a small number of emails, you can select them and tap or click the trash icon. But if you have a large number of messages, the desktop version of Gmail is usually the easiest option. Google's Delete help says that after searching, you can use the checkbox at the top to select the messages shown, then click Delete. On desktop, Gmail may also offer the option to select all conversations that match the search, which is useful when the results go beyond the first page. If you want to narrow the results before deleting, Gmail also supports combining search operators. For example, you can search by sender and date at the same time, or by sender and attachments. Google's help shows that operators like after, before, and has attachment can be combined with sender searches to filter results more precisely. That can help you avoid deleting emails you still want to keep. One more important thing to remember is that deleted emails do not disappear permanently right away. In Gmail, messages usually move to trash first, so if you want to remove them completely, you'll also need to empty the trash folder afterward. Google's delete instructions explain that deleted messages go to trash, where they remain until they are permanently removed. And that's how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.